welcome back to my channel. In today's video I created this look. I think I'm gonna call it a summertime makeup look. I'm really loving the whole vibe going on. Of course, lots of browns because I love browns. I've used the JACLYN palette, I've used the COLORPOP highlighter palette, and I have also used these little babies right here, which are the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and concealer. And I've been meaning to film using these ever since I got them, which is last November, like last year, you guys. I haven't even swatched these. I have never used them because I wanted to use them first time on a video, and I did today. So without further ado, I'm just gonna leave you at the video. I hope that you enjoy watching, and yeah, I will see you at the end. So first step is gonna be the brows, and for it I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the brow in the shade Chocolate. Now we're just gonna prime the eyes, and for that I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution eye base, something like that. And this was a little bit dried out, so it didn't really perform well, and I also find a little bit of difficulty in applying the eyeshadows on top of it. However, like, the original product is really good. I don't know how it dried out, but I really used to love it. I need to get another one. So for eyeshadows I'm gonna be using the Morphe and the JACLYN Hill palettes, and I'm just gonna be mixing a couple of shades to create this warm look. I'm also gonna be using black in the outer V, as you can see. Wipe the edges with a wipe, and then I'm going in with some shimmery shades also from the same palette. All the eyeshadows used in this look from the JACLYN Hill palette. Now I'm going in with the FLORMAR liquid illuminator, which I love, and I'm gonna blend that away with a kind of flat kabuki brush. And after that is done, I'm just gonna leave it to sit a little bit on my face, and I'm going in with eyeliner. And for that I'm gonna be using also another FLORMAR product. This is, I think this was a limited edition, but this eyeliner is so good, you guys. And I'm just going to apply a basic wing, nothing fancy, just some little eyeliner on the eyes, of course, to make the look a little bit more defined. Passing on to mascara, I'm using this CATRICE one, and yeah, I'm not going too crazy with the mascara because I'm gonna be applying lashes. For foundation, I'm using this Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it's so good, you guys. I wore this makeup throughout the day, and I can assure you guys it was so hot, so humid, and my face was so sweaty. But this foundation held on really well. As you can see, it's a little bit pale because I got this way back in November, and I got a little bit of a tan now, so it's a little bit too pale for summer. Now I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I think it's the same range like the Born This Way. I don't know. I will verify and I will put that in the description box. And yeah, this one is super white, but I think it will be so beautiful during the winter time to brighten the under eye area. I'm gonna bronze the face a little bit using this Chanel bronzer, and I'm using a stippling brush for that. And after that is applied, I'm just going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette, and I'm just gonna set where we've applied the Chanel bronzer. And I'm also gonna be using the light color in the palette to set the under eyes. Now I will be setting the rest of the face and going in with blush. And for the blush, I will be using this beautiful one. It's like a pink shimmery shade from the Tarte palette, and I love this color so much. I think it's a really beautiful color. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the COLORPOP highlighter palette, and I'm just gonna mix a bunch of them basically. And I love this palette so much. It has like really nice colors, and the pens are also really big, and it's really affordable. So as you can see, I've contoured my nose and I've put lashes on, and I'm also applying a little bit of the brown shadow from the same palette underneath the lower lash. I'm also going to be coating the lashes with mascara, and I'm gonna pass on to lips. So for lips, I'm gonna be using this lip liner. I think it's from Catrice or from Essence. I will put everything in the info box as per usual. And I'm also gonna be using this lipstick, which I really love. I have just gotten this. I think it's a new range from Catrice. And yeah, I'm just popping that on my lips. And also in the center of the lips, I'm going in with a FLORMAR lipstick, which is super nude, and I love that. I'm gonna pop that in the middle part of the lips to make the, you know, look a little bit more plump and ombre kind of. Whenever you go in with an ombre kind of look on the lips, it gives you the illusion of having bigger lips. So this is the complete look. I hope that you enjoyed watching. I think it's a really beautiful look if you want to go somewhere during the summertime, like nighttime glam. I think it's really appropriate. And yeah, that's it basically.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. As of course you've seen in the intro, you saw how totally like white I looked like a ghost. Whilst I was using this is in the shade Ivory, and when I got it, it was like winter time, November, so I was like, I'm gonna get this shade for the, you know, color I'm in right now, which was really pale during winter time, but now I got a little bit of a tan and this was super white, so I needed to bronze up with some bronzer, but it's a really nice foundation. I'm loving it. I don't know how in real life, like whilst I was applying the foundation, it looked a little bit pale. However, on screen it was super white, and I can assure you guys, in real life it wasn't that bad, I promise you. But on camera, like with the ring light and stuff, I was like super white. But we made it work, and I love the coverage. I love how flawless it looks. It looks honestly so flawless, and no wonder this is so raved about on YouTube. So that concludes this video. Just make sure to subscribe before you leave. Turn on the notification bell if you want to get notified every time there's a new video. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!